if your fingers could taste your snack before you picked it up? An octopus can do something close to that. Its arms have tiny suckers that help it learn about the world by touch. Its arms have tiny suckers that help it learn about the world by touch. Today, we'll peek into dark water, rocky cracks, and sleepy tide pools. And you'll see how these amazing arms help an octopus find clues as this places where eyes alone are not enough. Today, we'll peek into dark water, rocky cracks, and sleepy tide pools. Pretty cool, right? An octopus has 8 arms. Each arm is covered with rows of suckers. They look like tiny round buttons, but they are not just for holding on. They also help the octopus feel and sense what is nearby. Have you ever pressed a suction cup to a window or a toy? That sticky feeling is a little reminder of how well these helpers can grab. The octopus uses them in a very smart and gentle way. Scientists call this idea taste by touch. That means the suckers can detect tiny chemical clues from things they touch. A chemical is a tiny bit of stuff that can tell you something about an object. It is a little like smelling a peeled orange and knowing it is an orange. When an octopus touches a rock, shell, or snack, its suckers can pick up those clues. Isn't that amazing? Underwater can be cloudy or dark. Sometimes it is hard to see clearly. That is when the octopus gets extra help from its arms. It does not need perfect light to keep exploring. It can touch, feel, and sense its way forward. Can you guess why that is helpful? It means the octopus can keep learning even when the water is murky. Nature made a very clever explorer, and that is a happy thing to discover. An octopus can slide an arm into a tiny crack between rocks. Some cracks are smaller than the gap under a door. That is very small. The suckers help the arm grip the rock and gather clues at the same time. So, the octopus can check if something interesting is hiding there. It is like a tiny ocean detective using a very smart hand. That makes exploring feel safe, careful, and fun. The suckers are good at noticing useful chemical clues from surfaces. That can help the octopus decide if it should explore more or move on. It does not have to guess as much. It gets a better hint right away. That saves time and helps it stay smart in its ocean home. Have you ever used a clue to solve a puzzle? The octopus does that all the time, and it does it with its arms. Each octopus arm has many nerve cells. Nerve cells are tiny message senders in the body. They help the arm move and sense at the same time. So the arm is not just a sticky tool. It is a busy helper with its own little jobs. That is why octopus arms can seem so skillful. Isn't that amazing? With so many helpful parts, the octopus can explore in a calm and clever way. Some people think an octopus tastes only with its mouth. But that is not the whole story. Its mouth is important, of course. But its suckers help gather clues too. That means the octopus can learn about something before it brings it close. Nature loves surprising ideas like this, and this one is especially fun because the arms are doing a lot of the detective work. Imagine an octopus moving over rocks, shells, and coral in a tide pool. Its arms glide gently. The suckers hold on, feel the shape, and sense tiny clues too. Some suckers are smaller than your fingernail, but they can do a huge job. Would you want to learn hands that could do that? The octopus is wonderfully built for its watery home, and that makes every search feel like a little adventure. So let's play a quick remember game. Octopus suckers can hold on and sense clues. The arms help in dark or cloudy water, and the octopus can explore tiny cracks like a smart little detective. Which fact did you like best? I hope you remember one cool thing to share with your family or a friend. Now go tell someone the coolest octopus fact you just learned.